Alright, let's get you.
I ain't going nowhere without me.
So Hector is coming with Dano.
Okay.
What's that thing? Oh.
Alright, see you tomorrow, Anthony.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Wait, what? Okay, God, sorry. It's 4410, you know, but this is, oh. That's BS, like, oh fuck. And here, it's 4414, you know. I mean, 44... Wicked. I mean, I could just chill meantime, because, still a lot of time. And this is my bus. It's, like, not that bad. But the bus number for 44, for my bus is 4408, but, apparently they, said, like, the bus number for 4408 is normally 18115, but this time it's 18152 when it's not supposed to be. So I guess like the other bus drivers took that bus, so that's why it's like that.
Maybe it was on freaking highway.
Well, she's like that.
XR.
Anyways, the freshman buses should be coming in anytime soon. They should be coming in any minute now. So when they do arrive, I'll start again. Alright. Here. Okay, guys, they're coming right now. They're pulling in, and I think the buses that we have are 4417, 4404, and 4405. And we also have 4421. Here's 4405. gotta hurry up.
Vente conmigo, Héctor.
Now I'm gonna go I'm gonna go to the 300 building and wait for my friend outside. And then I'm gonna head back to the buses because we ride the same bus, but like since the bus is always full, we don't get to sit next to each other. So if we go together, then and pick a seat, it's much easier instead of me waiting for him and then going and then instead of me being there and then doing it, so yeah. So I'm gonna go wait for him now, and then I'll see. But mainly, I would say that me waiting for him is being the nicest person I could ever be. Is just doing that, and then let's see what that means. But yeah, that's basically me being a gentleman, So anyways, the bell already rang, so I'm gonna go wait for him and then head to back on the bus. Alright? Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.